When you're working on a book or a magazine or anything that has more than a few pages, you owe it to your readers to add page numbers. But it's a hassle to add page numbers to each and every page, right? Well, fortunately, InDesign makes page numbers easy. In this document, we want the page numbers on almost every document page. So where should we put them? That's right, the parent page. So I'm going to come over here to my doc and open the Pages panel. Then I'll double-click on my parent page A, which in this document is called A Master. Now I'd like my page numbers at the bottom of this page. I could put it inside the text frame I already have, but in this case, I'm going to grab the Type tool and draw a new text frame down here, just off to the side. Let's zoom in on this by pressing Command 2 or Control 2 on Windows. Now I can type my page number. So what should I type? The actual page number? No, you don't want to type real numbers here. Instead, you want a stand-in, something that's going to change on every page. So that special character can be found inside the Type menu, down here inside the Insert Special Character submenu. We're going to look inside the Markers submenu, and then we'll choose Current Page Number. When I do that, it enters the marker inside that text frame. Now, here on this page, it says A, and that's because we're on a parent page. But don't worry, it'll change on the document pages automatically. Let's go ahead and apply some formatting to this by coming up to the Control panel, making sure we're in paragraph formatting mode, and then choosing a paragraph style out of the paragraph style menu up here. I'm going to choose Page Number Left. That looks pretty good, but I'm going to use my selection tool to move this text frame down just a little bit. That looks pretty good. Now obviously, I could duplicate this page number onto the right-hand page, but I'll leave that for you to do on your own time. For now, let's see if these page numbers are working. I'll go back to my Pages panel, and I'll double-click on page 8 to jump to it. You can see the page number has updated just the way we wanted it. If I come down here and click on, say, page 14, it updates there too. And the great thing about these automatic page numbers is that if you later add pages or remove pages, they all automatically update, so you never have to worry about it again, which is awesome.